Hello, everyone. This is Erica Daniels with Child Counseling Place, and I wanted to give you a short tour of my office space so that you know what to expect when you come in for an appointment. So typically when people come in, I usually meet with the parents first if I am going to be providing services to a child. So the parent comes in. We are in a white house on the corner of Jefferson Avenue and Pike Street, and you walk in, there's a waiting room down there. It looks like a kitchen because this used to be a house, but there's a waiting room down there, and you just make yourselves comfortable until I come and get you. And then my office is up the staircase, and it's not super big, but it works for us. So I am going to just sort of show you around. So when you come in, maybe I can't flip this around. We'll see. So there's the door behind me, and there are a bunch of puppets on that door. So sometimes kids walk in and parents walk in, and maybe they are going to be having services for a teenager, and they think, I don't know about this. Why are there puppets up here? Well, I work with people as young as age 2, so I need to have a bunch of different things in my office so that I can work with 2-year-olds and I can work with young adults. So you'll see a bunch of different things that sometimes maybe wouldn't be appropriate for your age child, but are appropriate for other age children. So there are the puppets. Then we have the art table. So there are pencils and markers, crayons, paint. Over here there's a bunch of stickers and things like that. Then we'll come over here. You can see kind of the seating area over here. I have a small couch and a few chairs and a coffee table. And there's actually a surprise thing in the coffee table that some little kids don't ever end up knowing about. But if I reach in here and just pull this up, inside here is actually a sand tray. So this is where my sand table is. And then you can see all along the back wall there are figurines that kids can play with, either just as is, or sometimes we put them in the sand and do some things in the sand. In this basket, there are some dress-up things. Over there in the corner, there's a dollhouse. Those 2 boxes, there are some dollhouse things that can go with the dollhouse, or it can be brought over to the sand tray and put in the sand. And then one of my favorite spots in here is this little cubby place. And there's a little desk over there. And usually the young ones like that space because it's comfortable for them. It feels kind of cozy. If they want, instead of going to the art table, they can do their art stuff over here, or we might read or play some games over there. And so yeah, this is the space. Again, it's not super big, but it works for what I need to do with kids in here and young adults. I can move the chairs around if we want just a full space to do some body work, some body activities, some movement for kids who are really anxious or have some sensory issues. So that's my lovely space here. If you are wanting to schedule an appointment, you can schedule with me, Erica. There's another therapist here. Her name is Molly Ironton, and she does evening hours. And you can call our number, 513-268-5828. Have a great day.